Let's talk about Helldivers error code note to fix network Timeout in a simple and calm way. We'll go step by step.
But don't deploy into despair just yet, fellow Helldiver. You're certainly not alone in facing this persistent enemy, and we've got your back in this vital briefing. We'll arm you with various tactical solutions and step-by-step fixes to conquer error code note ensuring your connection remains rock solid for uninterrupted galactic liberation. All right, Helldiver, sometimes the simplest solution is the most effective before diving into complex maneuvers. Let's try a full system reset, completely close Helldivers, then power cycle your console and even your router. This fresh start often clears minor network glitches and reestablishes a clean connection to Super-Earth servers. If a restart didn't cut it, corrupt game files might be sabotaging your deployment. For players, head into Steam, right-click Helldivers, go to Properties, then Local Files, and select Verify Integrity of Game Files on PlayStation. Ensure your game is fully updated and try rebuilding your database through safe mod. This ensures every critical file is in perfect order, ready for combat. It might not be your dear Helldiver. Sometimes Super-Earth's command center itself is experiencing heavy traffic before you dismantle your entire network. Sit up, quickly check the official Helldiver's social media channels or reliable third-party status websites. If the servers are under maintenance or experiencing issues, all you can do is stand by for further orders and prepare for redeployment. For a more aggressive network fix, we're going to clean out any lingering data. Open command prompt as an administrator and type your config functions, then hit enter to clear your cat. Consider also performing a network reset in your Windows settings. For console players, navigate to your network settings and select the option to set up internet connection. Again, sometimes reconfiguring can work wonders to cut through the network static.